The first thing we're going to do is express each expression using exponents, and all you do is you notice what kind of thing you have. For example, we have 8s here. Now this does not say evaluate. Evaluate is when you're going to have a final numerical answer. Express is just rewriting. So we have 8s here, and then you count how many of them you have. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. That becomes your exponent, and that's the answer to that one. Number 2, we have A's. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. So 6 is an exponent. So a to the 6th power. Number 3, we have 5s. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. So 5 to the 5th power times, a dot means times. We also have 9s. And we have 1, 2, 3 of those. And again, you're not finding a numerical answer, you're just rewriting it. So that's the answer to number 3. Number 4 is evaluating. This means the exponent tells how many you have. So this means we have 4 2's. So it looks like this. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then because it's evaluate, you have to figure that out all the way. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So the answer is 16 on that one. This one is negative 3 to the 5th power. So that's negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. When negatives are involved, make sure I got them right. When negatives are involved, it takes one negative to cancel out another one. So this negative cancels with this one with this one. This little guy right here, he doesn't have a negative to cancel him out. So your final answer, no matter what it is numerically, is going to be a negative answer. So then you start multiplying the numbers. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. 81 times 3 is 243. So negative 243 is my answer to number 5. Number 6 is 3/4. You got 3 of those. With multiplication with fractions, you go straight across. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So 27 over 64 is the answer to number 6. Evaluating when they give you variables, when they give you letters and numerical values for those variables. Evaluate if A equals 5 and B equals negative 4. When I am evaluating and substituting, plugging things in, I want to put it in parentheses like this. So on number 7, if I see an A, instead of an A, I'm going to rewrite it with a 5. Whatever you're substituting goes in parentheses. That becomes important when there's signs involved. Plus negative 4 squared. Okay, so this is 5 times 5 is 25. Plus negative 4 times negative 4. 2 negatives cancel, so it's going to be a positive 16. And 25 plus 16 is 41. On this one, parentheses, 5 plus a negative 4, and then you square it. The order of operations says you have to deal with the parentheses first. Okay, this is a positive and a negative. The signs are different. If the signs are different, you find the difference. You have to subtract them. So 5 take away 4 is 1. The 5's larger, it's positive. That means you have a positive 1 here. So that's what's in the parentheses, and then you square it, which means 1 times 1. Final answer there is 1. This next one, we've got 5 plus a negative 4. Remember, if there's exponents, you have to put whatever you're plugging in parentheses. So this is 5 plus, okay, negative 4 times negative 4. A negative times a negative cancel out. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 plus 16 is 21. The answer to number 9 is 21.